Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on webinars with Zoom, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open the Zoom app or website. If you don't have an account, sign up for a free version. Choose the schedule a meeting option. Set your desired date and time. Select the webinar type if you have access. Fill in the meeting details, including title and description. Adjust the duration to reflect your webinar length. Decide if registration is required. If so, enable the registration option, which is free to use. Select your desired time zone for clarity. Turn on or off features such as video for hosts and participants. Under Meeting Options, consider enabling the waiting room feature. This provides an extra layer of security for your attendees. If you want, record the webinar automatically for later use. After reviewing your settings, click Save to confirm. You will now see the webinar link, which you can share. Promote this link through your social media channels or email. On the day of the webinar, log into Zoom at least 10 minutes early. Test your audio and visual settings to ensure everything is working. Use the chat feature to engage with participants during the webinar. For cost savings, consider using the free version effectively. Limit your audience size to keep within free account limits. After the webinar, send a follow-up email with a recorded link. Analyze feedback and engagement metrics to improve future webinars. This will help you create better, cost-effective educational experiences. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.